Hey everyone, before we get started with today's video, if you're interested in getting high-paying job offers sent to you for free, you can enter your email below for Fetti. Fetti will help you land the job of your dreams. Basically, all you have to do is answer a couple of questions, enter your email, and Fetti will actually send you a list of high-paying jobs. It's super easy. You can even do this remotely and from anywhere in the country. You can literally apply to multiple jobs in a single click. So use our link below for Fetti, and now let's jump into the video. That makes sense. And guys, for those of you who are watching, this is a perfect example of how like doing Lyft or Uber shouldn't be like your career. It should more so be like a tool to help you reach your goals or like a stepping stone rather than making that like your main thing.
I think you're right. And some people like they do kind of turn it into like a career. Like some people, they get a whole personality around it, you know? Like there was that guy in LA, like he would dress up in drag and his whole thing was called Driving as a Drag. And he made like a YouTube channel out of it. Oh. And other people, like they soup out their car with lights and whatever, or they upgrade to like SUV or black because they really love it. For me, I really enjoyed it, but I wouldn't say I loved it. There are times where it was like downright tough, you know, like you get really bad customers you got to deal with, or they throw up in your car. But overall, I really enjoyed it. And I tried to get more creative with it, like creative ways to make money. Like most people don't think about it, but you know, just like putting a tip jar, like in your cup holder, like just anything, like something that looks nice, but you can just do like a big gulp empty cup and write tips on it. And like people will actually just throw money in there. But if you don't have it, they're probably not going to tip you. But if you do have it, it's kind of like if you're at a coffee bar at a Starbucks and you see a tip jar sitting there and there's $1 in it already. And you think, oh, well, the person before me, they gave a tip. I'll look like a cheapskate if I don't give a tip. So it's kind of funny, just having a little cup in your cup holder with $1 in it and write tips, like it'll actually bring in tips. Is like one thing I did. And I would always hand out like referral credits. So that little card with your code on it, like every Uber customer that was in my car, I would ask them if they ever had a Lyft. And they're like, no, I haven't tried Lyft yet. I said, well, would $10 change your mind? And I, give them a code. So then like, if they use my code, I don't know if they're still doing this, but they would use my code and then I would get like a $10 cash bonus on my Lyft paycheck. So I'm making money on the Uber fare, but then I'm recruiting a Lyft passenger. So then just by handing out the code, I would make some money there.
Oh yeah. So you like hacked the system a little bit.
As much, as much as I could. Yeah. Actually, I still have, I'm looking at them on my bookshelf. I still have like a stack of old codes sitting there just in case they ever get back into it.
That's funny. Yeah.